Park County considers a new, stricter public health order closing rentals and limiting travel. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News. First, some landlords are sending eviction notices in this third week of statewide stay-at-home orders, and Summit Sheriff Jamie Fitzsimons says tenants need to know their rights.
The only person that can physically evict them is the sheriff. So I'm talking about the physical, and that's the end of the process. It's a long process, but a landlord can't physically evict a tenant.
Landlords must follow the eviction process, and courts are swamped.
If you filed paperwork today and started the process, the physical eviction probably wouldn't happen until sometime in August because the courts are so backed up.
Learn your rights online with info in English and Spanish for landlords and tenants by searching Summit County Sheriff, Colorado, Civil Division. Park County commissioners this morning reviewed a new public health order which would close county roads to all non-resident traffic and close short-term rentals, effective through June at least. On the Facebook group South Park Bulletin, residents are nervous, like Ginger, who writes, "I am wholly opposed to this measure." The board votes on the new order Thursday. In Summit, short-term rentals and non-resident traffic have been banned since March. Hundreds of international employees are stuck in Colorado, jobless for 1 month since ski resort shutdowns and burdened by red tape. This from the Colorado Sun. Vail Resorts has helped 1,900 J-1 and H-2B visa employees return home from Summit and Eagle counties, while roughly 100 remain in employee housing. Airline price gouging is keeping some in Colorado, while others face travel restrictions imposed by South American embassies, which limit flights to children, the elderly, and the ill. We're following news tips at Krystal 93, like these two. How many test kits does Summit have for COVID-19? And why has Eagle County tested 10 times more people than Summit? Summit recently ordered 500 test kits, sent in batches of 25. When one batch is filled, the next order of 25 kits arrives to prevent backlog at state-approved labs. So far, county officials say testing by Centura, Summit Community Care Clinic, and a mobile provider has reached everyone who fits testing criteria: critical and moderate patients, first responders and healthcare workers with possible exposure, and those over 60 or with underlying conditions. Testing criteria in Eagle County is more relaxed, including anyone with COVID-like symptoms. Heath Harmon, Director of Public Health for Eagle County, told the Vail Daily his county has done more testing per capita than anywhere in Colorado, although he did not say how many tests the county has available. Meanwhile, a coalition of human rights groups in Colorado is petitioning the Capitol with 23 requests, including free testing for all residents. A report from the American Enterprise Institute claims testing capacity is a benchmark for loosening restrictions, claiming the U.S. needs 750,000 tests per week, 2.5 times more than all testing done in the past 6 weeks. Summit County confirms 78 cases of COVID-19 as of today, with 1 new case since yesterday, 1 fatality, and a hospitalization rate of 1 in 3.7. Statewide, there are 7,691 cases today, with a hospitalization rate of 1 in 5.1, and 18 new deaths since yesterday, for a state total of 308 fatalities. And now a headline from the COVID-19 Twilight Zone, where, across the high country, event cancellations are scattershot. The Wave Arts Festival in downtown Breck in late May has been canceled, same as Strawberry Days in Glenwood Springs and Fibark Riverfest in Salida, both June 18th through 21st. GoPro Games in Vail is moved from June to August, while CKS Paddlefest is still on for Memorial Day weekend, May 22nd to 25th. Frisco Barbecue hangs in the air. Town officials review the events calendar April 28th, when new town council members are sworn in. Avalanche danger is considerable again today in the Summit Eagle County zone, with up to 10 inches of fresh snow in some areas. Your problems are on north through southeast faces at and above tree line. Be wary of the wind load. And in local sports, brought to you by Wilderness Sports in Dillon, skiers triggered 2 small slides yesterday, both on the Front Range, one at Brainerd Lake, the other at Jones Pass. No one was caught, carried, or injured by either slide. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.